Imagine waking up one morning to find out you've got just 30 days to leave the country you've called home for years. It might sound extreme, but for over 2 million people in the UK, this nightmare scenario could soon become reality. In May 2025, the UK government rolled out sweeping new immigration rules that are already sparking fear, confusion and heartbreak across the country. From soaring visa fees to stricter salary thresholds, these changes are hitting students, skilled workers and even families who've lived in the UK legally for years. Could your visa be in danger without you even realizing it? What silent rule changes could put your future here at risk? In this video, we'll uncover the 10 biggest immigration changes happening right now and what you must do to protect yourself. Stay with me until the end. Some of these updates are shocking, and missing even one could cost you your future in the UK. 1. New salary rules that could force you out. As of May 2025, the UK has raised the salary requirement for skilled worker visas to £38,700 per year, a massive jump from the previous £26,200. Thousands of hard-working people in healthcare, hospitality, tech and other vital sectors are now below the threshold despite years of lawful work in the UK. Even a £500 shortfall could now mean a rejected visa or forced departure. Heads up, this doesn't just apply to new applicants, it affects renewals too. If your current employer can't or won't boost your salary, your legal status could vanish overnight. Pro tip: start conversations with your employer now. And check if your job is still listed as a shortage occupation. Some roles still qualify at lower salary rates. From September 2025, international students will no longer be eligible for the popular graduate route, which once gave 2 full years to find work after graduation. Now, new graduates must land a skilled worker job offer immediately or face leaving the UK within 60 days. That's right, no more buffer, no second chances. If you're still studying, start job hunting at least 6 months before graduating. Target employers that already hold sponsorship licenses. Being proactive could mean the difference between staying or starting over. Family reunification just got harder. Planning to bring your spouse or child to join you in the UK? Be prepared for stricter rules. From May 2025, sponsors must earn at least £38,700 per year and prove they can support dependents for a full 5 years, not just upon arrival. Even more concerning, freelance or short-term contracts may be considered too unstable. Proof of a genuine relationship now needs far more than photos or texts. Any error, like a missing bank statement, could mean denial with no appeal. This could lead to long-term family separations over simple technicalities. Visa fees skyrocket by up to 35%. From July 2025, most visa categories will see a 20 to 35% fee increase. A skilled worker visa alone will now cost over £820, and partner visas may cross £2,000 before adding health surcharges and service fees. Planning to bring family? Each dependent costs full price. A family of 4 could now pay £10,000 or more just to apply. Tip budget early and triple check payments. One missed fee could now mean automatic rejection, no warnings given. Higher English requirements for more visas. Starting late 2025, more applicants, including workers and family members, must pass tougher English tests at higher levels. Even long-term residents now need to prove advanced skills in reading, writing, speaking, and comprehension, not just casual fluency. Tests cost £150 to £300 plus prep materials and travel. For many, that's a huge burden on top of rising visa costs. The UK's shortage occupation list, your fast track to easier visas, is being cut by 50% from August 2025. Many roles, like junior care workers, chefs, IT support, and lab techs, are being removed entirely or made harder to qualify. That means higher salary thresholds now apply. More complex sponsorships are required. Some roles are no longer eligible at all. If you're relying on this list to stay in the UK, act now. It might not include your job for much longer. September 2025 introduces much tougher deportation rules, expanding the powers considerably. Even minor offences or technical visa breaches could now trigger immediate deportation. This includes a suspended 6-month prison sentence, suspicion not proof of rule violations, and delays in paperwork or renewals. For instance, a minor traffic violation or a late visa renewal could lead to deportation. The legal basis for these triggers stems from recent changes in immigration policy aimed at tightening control. These policies emphasize zero tolerance, meaning even small infractions are taken seriously. It's crucial to stay informed and compliant to avoid these severe consequences. The scariest part? Immigration officers can now detain individuals for up to 60 days without a court hearing. Humanitarian considerations like UK-born children or long-term residents won't necessarily protect you anymore. Renewal process. No room for mistakes. Visa renewals are no longer a routine process. You'll now need proof of continuous employment with no gaps over 30 days, updated documents, including language tests and background checks, and early submission at least 60 days before expiry. Even one missing document could get your renewal rejected. Errors can lead to significant delays and stress. In some cases, you might face legal implications such as fines or deportation. So I must ensure every detail is accurate. From October 2025, asylum applicants must now file claims within 30 days of arrival, down from 6 months. This new rule aims to streamline the process and ensure quicker resolutions for those seeking refuge. Miss the deadline and your case is dismissed without appeal. There's also a fast-track rejection system. 10 days mandatory detention for unofficial entries, and expanded power to remove applicants before cases are fully heard. The bigger picture: fewer paths, higher barriers. Across the board, the UK is tightening every immigration route, making it harder to arrive, to stay, and to build a life. The message is clear: only those who meet strict economic and legal criteria will remain. But for the millions of people already living here, working, studying, raising families, the cost of these changes could be devastating. So to summarize, the UK is implementing significant changes to its immigration rules. Key changes include increased salary and income requirements, stricter visa renewals, and tougher deportation rules. The elimination of the graduate route and the immediate job requirement for graduates will impact new entrants. Families will face higher financial thresholds and stricter rules, potentially leading to separations. Additionally, fees for applications and tougher English tests are on the rise. The list of eligible roles is being reduced, affecting many job seekers. Lastly, new asylum rules allow for fast-track rejections, tightening the overall immigration process. Stay informed to navigate these changes effectively. What do you think about these new rules? These rule changes aren't just policy updates, they're life-altering decisions that could uproot families, careers, and dreams. Are you or someone you know affected? Are these new immigration rules affecting you, your friends, or someone in your community? Have you faced a visa rejection, unexpected fee, or been forced to leave the UK? We want to hear your story. Share your experience in the comments below. Your voice might help someone else facing the same struggle. And don't just scroll past, join the conversation. Every like, share, and comment helps us spread awareness and keep people informed. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next update. In times like this, missing one video could cost you your future in the UK. Until next time, stay informed, stay protected, and never stop fighting for your right to stay. Drop a comment below, we want to hear your story. Take a second to subscribe for real-time updates on UK immigration, UK exodus, and insider advice to stay one step ahead. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for real-time updates on immigration, visa news, and survival tips. Stay informed, stay prepared. Your future in the UK may depend on